What's up, guys? Welcome back to the shop. So today I'm going to do a make something cool out of something ugly. That's just an old ugly piece of red oak. It's not a whole lot you can do with that because it's so small. I mean, little small dish or something. But we're just gonna do just a spindle turn. Make like a little twig pot or something. Maybe put a feature on it or something. I don't know. We'll see. But that's like I say, just a piece of red oak. I'll cut this limb off of here. I'll take to the bandsaw and cut this off, and then square up the ends a little bit because it's about 8 inches. Time we cut off, it's about 8 inches long, probably about 3 inches round. It is wet. It was just laying out there. I thought I grabbed it up. I said I'm gonna do something with it. We're getting some rain finally. Haven't had any rain in probably 3 months. Nothing to account for anyway. Our water levels are way down, but we're finally getting some rain. Hopefully, supposed to rain through Thanksgiving, through next few days. I hope so. We're gonna have a wet Thanksgiving if that's okay. But anyway, I'll get this cut off. We'll get it mounted up there and see what we can do. And who knows? We may put a ring on this. We don't know. So hang in there, and we'll come back and I'll have it mounted up and we'll get the turn on this thing. All right. Got that cut off. Got it mounted up. We'll just turn all that away. Going to get rid of all the bark. I don't think I'm going to leave any of the bark on there because it's kind of really round. I can get about 950 RPMs out of it. Like I say, it is a little out of round, so there might be a little vibration at the beginning, but it'll go away. Got all sharpened up, and we'll turn this thing and see what we can come up with. Some kind of little twig pot, vase, something. I don't know. We'll see as we go. So let's get started. All right, guys, there we go. Just a little candlestick vase type thing, I guess. I'm gonna call it a candlestick, but yeah, you make anything out of a piece of an old cut off branch or limb. So yeah, you save a limb and make something cool out of it. So, but it ended up, like I say, that's red oak. Still ended up 8 inches long. I just cut a ring in it. Thought that was pretty cool. But yeah, and the way I cut my rings is, it may not be the way that you do it, but that's the way I do it. It works. So I did. That way I get all the way through it, and it kind of rounds it all the way around, and so you don't have a sharp edge on the inside. It's kind of hard to see, I'm sure, but yeah, it works really well. That's got some spalting in there too in that oak. That's a pretty cool features. But yeah, it's pretty solid. And I just finished it with I just used tung oil. That's the only thing I finished it with. I just put some tung oil, 2 coats of tung oil on it, and that was it. No wax, no polish. Still has a pretty good shine to it though. So I didn't go all the way down to where as far as I drilled. So I didn't want to go too deep, because I'm going to put a little tea light. That's dusty. I'm going to put a tea light. It'll be a little tea light holder, and that fits in there just perfect. Just a little tight, but it fits good and it won't fall out. So yeah, it turned out really nice. So yeah, saved cut off branch made into a pretty cool candle holder, I guess you'd call it, with the ring. I don't know, something different. Actually seen a couple something similar to this at a craft show I was at. I thought, hey, I'm gonna try to make something like that. Well, I did. I did fail this one. So I don't know, let me know what you think. Leave a comment. If you haven't subscribed, consider doing so. Try to do a video every week. And thanks to all my subscribers. I really appreciate it. It really helps my channel. Keeps me motivated to go. So yeah, hit that thumbs up, that notification bell for the next videos. And I'm on the Instagram. Follow me on the Instagram. So yeah, hope you enjoyed it. And as always, thank you for watching.